Meg courtesy kolya kang Mayor Jel Aquino ng Siyudad Mabalacat, ing SEA Games gold medalist swimmer ay Kayla Noel Sanchez. Kaibat ng Mena Gumpeniti, king 33rd Southeast Asian Games, king Thailand. Bilang pamagkilala, king karangalang kayang inambag king Pilipinas at king Mabalacat City, gewara ng Mayor Aquino Sanchez, Certificate of Recognition at 100,000 pesos cash incentive. Tinago niya naman king courtesy call din na City Tourism Officer Arwin Paul Lingat at Alex Castro. Ginawa yung kasalesayan ni Sanchez kay ba't may kapagtalang perfect 8 of 8 medal finish king 8 pekyabayan na events. Kaya bening atleta king pamagbisita ing kayang tata ay Noel Sanchez ning Barangay Dawu ating bapa na diting i Andy Sanchez. Kasalukuyan niyang magaraliti king University of British Columbia at Mekiabe king Philippine Swimming Team inyang 2021 kay bat meging tubod ning Canada nung nukarin sinambot yang adwang Olympic relay medals king Tokyo Olympics. Minuna niya namang may courtesy call Sanchez kang Governor Lilia Pineda king Pampanga Convention Center at binisita king National Academy of Sports king New Clark City. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.